days lang yung ano ko, rental ko sa ano. Yun dyan sa Salay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now live at Carmona Estates, Phase 6 to witness the Game 1 of Best of 3 Final Series of CSC Summer League Junior Division. Let's hear it first for our first team, Team SME. At shooting guard, jersey number 17, Rare Boca. At center position, wearing jersey number 14, Loyones. At forward, wearing jersey number 11, Pastor. At forward, jersey number 33, Rod. At small forward, wearing jersey number 4, Yuri. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 26, Dumadog. At point guard, wearing jersey number 10, Gali. At point guard, wearing jersey number 1, Francis Canceran. At forward, wearing jersey number 2, Alminanza. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 7, Silaga. At forward, wearing jersey number 5, Solicito. At forward, wearing jersey number 9, Nombrado. At forward, wearing jersey number 3, Perelonia. At point guard, wearing jersey number 21, Amal. Last but not least, shooting guard, jersey number 88, Danis Indon. Stop. And now, for our Team Yumis Lesion. At forward, jersey number 6, Rex Domingo. At forward, wearing jersey number 66, Emilus. At center, wearing jersey number 35, Vincent Lejos. At point guard, wearing jersey number 27, Nico Fernandez. Shooting guard, wearing jersey number 3, Job Delen. At center, wearing jersey number 12, Paulo Medina. Power forward wearing jersey number 17, Sara Gagmaytan. At center, wearing jersey number 23, Jerry Tomol.
Siyempre. Oo ba naman eh.
At forward, wearing jersey number 11, Gerard Rojas. Another forward, wearing jersey number 99, Hexum Barakias. At guard, wearing jersey number 73, Jeru Valendria. At point guard, wearing jersey number 77, Jamesy Barbacena. At shooting guard, wearing jersey number 20, Leonard Galay. Last but not the least, at shooting guard, team captain, jersey number 44, Rod Rayos. This is the game 1 of Best of 3 Final Series Junior Division of Sunday Club Summer League. It's game time!
Ilaw, ilaw. Mo. All players, please proceed to the center of the playing court. Okay, tatabi niya sa buto. Bang! Our referees for today's match, Romuel, Herb, and Castillo. Nakasalubungan namin ba siya? Ayun o, kakadating. Tawagin, si James. Sabay. Siya lang, parang kantahan. Isa pa. Siya lang. Isa pang ano, isa pa. Hindi ako mo yun, 5 piraso lang yung beef yun eh. 1,000 pipino mo. Isa pa. Ano tayo? Start na tayo.
Tawagin mo ulit yung Barbacena.
Si James.
Wala kanina, di ba?
Nararating ko lang.
Shawarma rice na puro rice.
Nag-reserve pa naman ng maraming laway para lumaki yun. Bilis lang at pangaling nga.
Tawagi si James C.
Ay na pala. Si Kit yan.
Kit! Ano naman, Kit? Ikaw lang yung nakakain dyan, no? Yan, hirap yan.
Ikaw kumuha. Pre! Picture muna kami pa okay. First 5 na lang si James C. Para matama. Sabi, from the land of Punago. From the land of Punago.
Pero, tataya lang doon si Mama sa loob.
Ito, kay Steven.
Luis Steven.
Starting wide for US Lechon, wearing jersey number 5, Solicito. 17, Rebucan. Number 3, Perolonia. Number 88, Indon. Number 10, Gali. For head coach, Gabi Gavino. For Team Yumis, wearing jersey number 73, Valentria. Number 11, Rojas. Number 12, Medina. Number 20, Galay. And number 6, Domingo.
Mauna pa mapangsi. Biglag na malayo. Biglag na malayo pala. Doon pa may
Sound. Check sound.
pagkasarap ng SMB na madaming pumunta.
Sound. Sound.
Ikaw dapat.
First possession goes to SME. Solicito to Gali. First shot, no. Galay now splitting the D. Kicks it out. Number 73, Valentria. First shot of the ball game. 2 points. Sound. Indon with the leather. Elbow shot by Solicito. No. Galay against Gali, splitting the D. Still by Indon. Indon now on the round 3 versus 2. 1 point there. Kicks it out to Perolonia. Perolonia against 4 white shirts. There's a whistle down low. Foul is going for jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. That's his first personal first. Team foul. Indon fakes. He fires. Now Perolonia gets the defensive board. Out of bounds. Ubis basketball. Galay. To number 11. That's a traveling violation. Gali. To Indon. Corner. Short stab. No. Ooh. What a find there, Valentria. Out of bounds. SFE basketball. Gali to Indon, setting things up for SME. 2 minutes scoreless SME. That's a traveling violation. Now Lucas, number 11, 2 points. 4-0 run. With under 3 minutes of this ball game. Gali looking for a teammate, still with number 11 to Valendria. Valendria, touchdown! 6-0. Indon slightly loses the leader. Pero Alonia, number 5, sweet shooting jumper now. Danis, fires an elbow shot, and it's good. Galay to Domingo. Domingo forcing his way in. Valendria off the glass. Yes, sir. That's his spot. 8-2. Danis now finds down low. Pero Alonia kicks it out to Gali. Gali fakes. Gali with the short corner now. Valendria all along to. What an offensive run there for Team Yumis, forcing SME to call a timeout. 10-2 is the official count. Back to the ball game. Gali to Perolonia. Back to Gali. Corner 3. No. Rebound. What a putback there. Jersey number 5. 2 points. There's the whistle down low. Foul is called for jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, that is first personal. First, team foul. On the line now, shooting third, number 20, Leonard Galay. Two for two. Gali to Perolonia, forcing his way in, gets his own miss, fires another. There's a whistle. Foul is called for jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, that is first personal, second team foul. Sound. Perolonia sinks in the first. Galay, 2 versus 1. Lefty layup is good. Foul is called for jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, that's his second personal, third team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Galay Looking for a teammate. Finds Domingo struggling on the ladder. Out of bounds. Turnover. Mandatory substitution. Fresh five, fresh legs for both teams. Ambal with the leather now. 12 to shoot. Lane violation. Got my dad, cross court to Rayos. Rayos wires for Dre. Now, Fernandez splitting the knee, struggling on the ladder, gets his own miss, kicks it out. Exo fakes, 8 to shoot. Block shot. There's the whistle. Foul is called for jersey number. Jersey number 10. 9 rather. Jersey number 9, that is first person. Second, team foul on the line, shooting two. Exit.
Natablan din pala.
Our next game for senior division, backcourt versus 44s. Rayos. Yes, quick two. 17 to 7, double digit lead for Yumis. Ambal with the 100. Now, the ball will stay. 14 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot. Foul is called for jersey number 44. That's Ralph Rayos' first personal warning for penalty. Exum gets the defensive board. Fernandez to Exum. Rayos back to Fernandez. 10 to shoot. Exum fakes. Now, gets his own miss off the glass, and he makes it. 19 to 7.
Ayun, no, 1-3-1 na naman sila.
Ambal against Rayos. Almenanza.
Butas pa rin eh, no? Oo, yan eh.
Got right on. Fernandez to Rayos, 8 to shoot. 4. There's the whistle, and foul is called for jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. That's his first person. Traveling violation. Rayos, guarded by Canceran. Fernandez now with the leather. Crosses over. Exum. Now. 19 to 9. Ambal now on the run for Team SME. Stops and he fires now, but there's a whistle. Double foul is called.
Kaya niya, boss.
Double fouls called for jersey number 23 of Yumis and number 9 of SME.
Nice goal, nice goal, Brett.
Sound. Timeout is gold. Yumis. Our next game for 39 and up. Game 1 of best of 3 series. Team 44s versus Backcourt.
Ba't late ka? Di tuloy, wala tuloy ano. Wala tuloy yung ano, from the land of.
The ball will stay for Team SME. Out of possession goes, the ball goes to Yumis. Steal, Almenanza. Masling his way in, lays it up. That's a good move for a big man right there by Almenanza. Got Maidan, loses the leather, slaps it out. The ball will stay 14 on the shot clock. Excellent to Got Maidan. The ball will stay 9 to shoot. Fernandez to Reyes, Reyes fakes, steps back, short. Ambang to Canceran, Canceran! 2 points. Rayos to Got Maitan. Finds Exum. Down low pass. What a pass there. Well, sorry, miss there by number 23. Got Maitan. Picks up the miss. Ambal. Another opportunity for the white shirts. Fernandez. 2 points. 21 to 13 is the official count. Down by 7 now. Ambal with the leather. Uses the pick. Denies it. Ooh, miscommunication, out of bounds. Reyes. For a pick, back to Reyes, 12 to shoot. 3 seconds differential on the game clock. Reyes bleeding the knee, finds its way now. For the shoot, Canceran spins, intercepted, out of bounds. And that's the end of the first. Our official score is 21 to 13. 8-point advantage for Yumis.
Kasi ka makanood ng ayos. Oo, paro. Diba?
Sound. Fresh legs. Danis to Perolonia. Perolonia back to Danis. Down low pass. Loses the leather. Yumis. Basketball. Barbacena checks in for the first time in this ball game.
Let's go!
Number 5. Oh, sorry, miss there. Indon off the glass. Another miss. Galay. To Valentria. Indon now on the round 4 versus 2. Stops at 3. Fires now. Perolanya gets the miss. Perolanya loses the letter. And the ball is staying 7 on the shot clock. 7 to shoot.
Sisigawan ng...
What a inbound play there for STP. Barbacena to Velandria. Velandria fires a wide shot now. South. Number 4. With the dipsy to shot now. Perolanya. With the recovery. Plus and 1. Foul is called for jersey number 66. That's Lewis' first personal. First, he found timeout is called. Yumis. What an answer there by Team SME, cutting down the lead to 4, 21 to 17.
Let's go! Woo! At tabang agad eh, ha?
Back to the ball game. We have a low-scoring game for the first game of best of 3 final series between SME versus Yumis. On the line now, shooting bonus shot number 3, Perolanya. Perolanya gets his own miss. Now gets another. Out of bounds, Yumis. Basketball. Barbacena to Galay. Barbacena forcing his way in, kicks it out. Turnover, steal by Indon. Indon slightly loses the leather. Gathers it. Wild 3 there, off the glass now. Rebound by Galay. Galay against 4 red shirts. Intercepted. Ooh, what a save there. Muntik na. Naka-block na save. Sound. Velandria. Block shot by Indon. Not this time. Galay. Velandria tries another. Indon now on the run. There's the whistle. Dalawa pa yun, walang kawala. Foul is called for jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, that is first, personal second, team foul. Perolanya to jersey number 5. Another baseline inbound play. YSME, 2 points. 23 to 19. Galay fires an elbow shot. That's good. Indon uses the pick. Finds Pastor. All alone. Miss. Galay with the rebound. Galay, lefty layup, and the Sonim is there. Indon gets the rebound. Indon to number 5, lays it off. The lead now is still at 4. Barbacena gets the easy deal. Danis. Peralonia. No. Rebound by Pastor. Danis fakes 8 to shoot. Down low pass. Masing his way through. Kicks it out. Peralonia on the glass. And one.
Clarito. Si Clarito maglaro.
Foul is called for jersey number 35. Jersey number 35. That is first personal, third team foul. Peralonia misses the bonus shot. Galay. To Barbacena. Loses the letter, but the ball will stay 13 on the shot clock. Elandria fakes, down low pass, turnover. Good recovery there, 5 to shoot. Galay, down low pass. Oh, sorry, mister, gets his own miss, tries another. One shot now. Intercepted, the ball will stay there. On the shot clock. Pastor gets the letter. Danis against 2 white shirts. Masting his way in, gets his own miss. Pastor, corner 3. Wild answer here by Pastor, cutting down the lead to 1. Barbacena. What a defense there. Masting his way in, takes it out. There's Suisen. Foul is called for jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. That's his second personal. First. Team foul. Barbacena, fadeaway shot! No!
Young game.
Indon. What a pass there! Pastor slightly loses it. But there's the whistle and late violation. Substitution. Mandatory substitution.
Nice one, James.
What a ball game there. For both teams rather. In the game 1 of Best of 3 Final Series Junior Division. Gali, ambal now. Finds Gali for 3, short. Exum gets the board. Fernandez. Rebound Wayang ball. Canceran fix. That's a traveling violation. Our next game for 39 and up. 44s versus backcourt. Fernandez, Tanayos, fires for 3, short. Almenanza, lays it up, no.
Ayan na. Match up. Oh, yun o. Bumalik pa dun o.
Dalawa sa play. 500, dalawa sa
Sige, 500.
Tasas niyan.
Oy!
Tasas niyan. Tasas niyan.
Tapos naman. Panabla.
300.
Ayun! Panalo na. Easy. Easy.
Sound.
Kinakontra pa yung bayo. Ayun, nice pass na yun. Nice pass.
Sound. Sound 1 to sound. Got my turn. Forcing his way in. Finds number 11. Now. Canceran. Ooh. That's a turnover.
Galing. Galing yung pasabit ng
Sound.
sa wala. Kanina dalawa wala. Isa wala. Ayun.
Sound.
Ngayon.
Exo. Ambal gets the defensive board. Canceran for 3. Bam! Canceran! 31 to 27. What a turn of events there. SME now in the lead and with the momentum. Still, Ambal, 5 versus 2. Ambal stops. Fires. 33 to 27. Biggest lead of the ball game for Team SME. Rayos fires a long bomb. No. Ambal, sweet shooting spot now. Rayos. Pillar is good and one. Foul is goal for jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. That's his first personal team foul number 3. Gali setting things up. Ambal now with the letter. To Canceran, tries another. No. Rebound by number 11. 2 versus 3. Forcing his way through. What a move there against 3 red shirts. 2 points. 31 to 33. Up by 2 now. Ambal uses the pick. Illegal big there. Foul is called for jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. That's his 4th personal. Warning for penalty. Four fouls already for jersey number 9 on the first half. Number 11 wassailing his way through. Now, out of bounds. SME basketball. Out is ruled SME. minute and 11 seconds remaining on the first half. Ampal setting things up, finds Almenanza. Almenanza guarded by Exum. Forcing his way through. What a move there. 2 points. 35 to 31. Rayos to Fernandez. Got my turn. Against Caceranda. Low pass. Turnover. Ampal now. 3 versus 1. Gale lays it off now. But this whistle foul is called for jersey number 27. That's his first whistle. Penalty.
Sige. Meng, ay diretso na lang. Mapapagperahan.
Easy money.
Naipito na. Hindi pwedeng magkamali ang referee ko. Babae yan eh. Wala tayong laban dyan.
Tama. Ganun pa doon.
Fernandez to Rayos against Gali. Rayos winding down the clock. Looking for a teammate. Finds Fernandez. Fernandez side step. What a move there. Fernandez 2 points. 36 to 33. Shot clock is off. 10 to shoot. 5. Rayos to Fernandez still. Fires. What an ending there on the second. Cutting down the lead to 1. 36 to 35. SME with an advantage.
Halftime show. Wala bang halftime show?
Photo po muna tayo. Team Yumis. Yumis po muna. Yumis, punta po muna lahat ng players sa gitna. For photo.
Meng, interview muna.
Meng! Interview daw.
Interview muna, interview. Ano po bang ano? James. Tawagin niyo si James. Halftime interview muna. James. Sabi mo, pre. Oo nga, sabi nga. Bilihi. Tara, go.
sabi. Okay na, Robin. Ha?
Wala pa po, boss.
Uy! Picture muna.
Ano? Hindi mo na ako. Kasi pag nag-game na, ikaw
Kung ano na, hindi na
yung mga bili. Half-time pa naman yan. Baka mag-game na eh. Hindi pa yan. Wala pa nga eh.
Sound. Check sound. 1, 2, sound.
Okay.
Sound. 1, 2, sound. Team SME po, photo po tayo. Hambal. Rayos with a steal. 52-50. Inbound now. Upon the number 5, short corner now. Upon for 3 now. That's a foul committed by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Warning or foul out. Substitution. Number 11, shortstop escape. Garay. Ooh, steal by Berelonia. Gets a quick and easy deal. Berelonia with the hustle. 10 rebounds already for Berelonia. Garay, the number 11, steal by Almenanza. Canceran intercepted, the ball will stay 19 to shoot. Got by down checks in for Humans. Aban to Indon. Steal by Garay. Berelonia again! What a hustle play! Offense to defense. Ambal. To Canceran speeds. Left the layup now. Almenanza. With a turnaround shot. No, gets his own miss. Kicks it out. Ambal to Indon. Indon breaks. Indon fires. In and out. Rayos with another. Rayos, ooh. Slightly slipped down low. Indon to Almenanza. No! What a block there by Exum. Rayos bars. Basket down. And one. Foul is called for jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, that is first personal warning for Pelty. On the line now, shooting the bonus shot number 44. Rayos. Rayos completes the three-point play. Shot clock is on. What a ball movement. 3 to shift. Canceran now. Rayos with the letter. At the end of the third, our official score is 56-55, still a 1-point lead by SMA.
Ganda-ganda ng play eh.
Last and final quarter. Whose team will get a first blood on the best of 3 final series? SMA or Yibis? Our next game for 39 and off, 44 versus backcourt, ready na po. Indoor for 3 now. Tries another, not again. Basket count and 1. Foul is called for jersey number 4. That's his first personal first team foul. On the line, Florida, Beltria, substitution. Almenanza jersey for SME. Basket down and 1. Foul is called for jersey number 23. Jersey number 23, that is third personal first team foul. Babylonia!
Team Basic.
Out of bounds.
Rinig na rinig pa.
Bakar na bakar.
In the three. 5 to shoot.
Sumpa din eh.
To 57. Timeout is called. 65 to 57, biggest lead of the ball game. 9-point lead now for SME. 8-point lead rather.
Plus 10 pero talo kayo.
Out of bounds. The ball will stay 15 on the shot clock. Foul is called for jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, that's his third personal. Second team foul. Held ball. Ubis basketball. Now let's go for jersey number 20. That's his third personal. Second, team foul. Substitution. Solicito and Veralonia checks in for SMA. 11 to shoot. Number 5, foul down. Let's go for jersey number 88. That's his first personal warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. On the shot clock, 6 to shoot. Shot clock violation.
Sumipensa naman.
Ambang SSW finds an easy shot and it's in. 67 to 58, 9-point now for SMB with under 4 minutes remaining on this ball game. Rayos all alone for 3. Now. Indon, Theory, finds number 9, steal by Rayos. Rayos now on the run, 3 versus 2. Lays it up, back shot,
Nabigyan pa nila.
Hernandez to Galay. Galay, this is the other steal. 3 versus 1. Almiranda, that's a doubling violation. Good goal right there by our game officials. Basketball by SME. Galay takes it out. Rayos, one more try. No! Rayos steals struggling. The RPR assists Galay to pick up the best. 69 to 62.
Wame!
Then the shoot. Last 2 minutes. Almenanza, putback is good. Rayo steal. Missing on the arc. Ambal. Still 9-point lead for SME. Points Indon. 8 to shoot. Indon asking for an ISO. Fires for 3. Short. Substitution. Exum takes in now for Yumis. And that is good. Yumis.
Ano tayong win?
On the shot clock. Our next game, 39.5, Force versus Backward. Galay kicks it out, tries fakes. Finds Galay. Galay stays, Pilandrea, that's his spot. No! Good!
Yan na, Ralph. Ay, putang ina mo.
There's the whistle. Foul there. Galay, warning for foul down. Team foul number 3. Friendly fire. Kayambal. Almenanza guard by Hexel. There's the whistle. Foul is called by jersey number 99. That is first person. Warning for Belty. 14 on the shot clock. Perelonia out of bounds. Yumis basketball. Still down by 9. What are the odds now for Yumis to make this cover and get the win? Ooh, the bounce. Rayos fires for 3. Not again. Foul is over jersey number 99. That's the second personal foul.
Nice, G. Nice, G.
Double degree now for SME. Two for 2.
Tira, North.